If your AirTalk Wireless phone is lost or stolen, act fast. Immediately report the incident to the police and obtain a police report. Then contact AirTalk Wireless customer service via their app, website, or phone. Provide the police report and your phone's IMEI number to blacklist the device, preventing unauthorized use. A replacement will cost between $10 to $50, depending on your specific plan. Remember, reporting promptly is crucial to avoid additional charges and potential misuse of your account. AirTalk integrated AI-powered chatbots in early 2025 for faster resolutions, reducing claim processing time from 7 to 10 days to 2 to 3 days. For broken phones, the replacement process depends on whether the damage is covered by a warranty or protection plan. If your phone is under the manufacturer's warranty, such as Samsung or Apple, contact them directly for a free replacement if the damage isn't user-caused. If you have AirTalk's protection plan, file a claim through their app or website, providing photo evidence of the damage. Out-of-warranty repairs start at $20 for minor fixes. Note that AirTalk has implemented stricter verification, requiring photo evidence for damage claims due to rising fraud reports. Always file claims within 30 days of the incident.